guys are back with another one. Y'all know me, Walmart got to take advantage to show y'all some of these items you may not know about. But it's the 12-inch subwoofer enclosure. It looks like it's MDF, but then again, it could be that particle board. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that particle board they used to make them boxes out of, them prefab. That they used to make them in pretty much, man, they crumble up. I don't know, that may not be the case with this. But I don't know how you say that name. I'm not gonna try to say it, but y'all see what it is. 12-inch subwoofer enclosure kit. I think it's like a deal where you gotta unfold it and.
Show you on the side.
Okay, let's see. Okay, well, yeah, you just fold it up, man. I don't even think you need screws to put this together. So that might be something. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Yeah. They ain't include the screwdriver. Okay. Well, yeah. Anyway, man, you'll need your Phillips screwdriver to put this one together. And the price comes in at $47.97 here at the Walmart where I am. I guess it's good for somebody on a budget. You know, here is MDF. For somebody on a budget, that'll probably be good. You know, if you just need to get the job done for a 12. Now, I'm not saying you need to throw your ZVX or nothing, because that ain't gonna go in there anyway. But you know, a little budget speaker or whatnot. But definitely, if you need something like this, man, definitely stop by Walmart. Other than that, man, I got some good links down below. If you need anything, or be sure to inbox me if I can help you with anything or lead you in the right direction to somebody who does. Be sure to hit me up on any social media site. BASSWITHKEV, y'all know, on all social sites. So definitely, man, let me know if you tried this box out. It's the $47 box. Let me see. I guess you can't beat it for under 50 bucks. So y'all let me know how it works. See y'all back in the next one.